welcome to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about how to fix your iPhone volume too low. So let's just get straight into the video. So let's just check the basic volume and sound settings first. All you need to do is turn up the volume, use the side volume button or the control center to simply use the slider to increase the volume. If that is not the case, try to see if you are on sleep or do not disturb. Simply go ahead and turn those off. The other thing you want to go ahead and do is simply go ahead and reduce loud sounds. If you're on a headphone, if it's not working, simply head into your settings. All you need to do is head into your accessibility, and this is where you want to look for the sound and haptics, or you could also head into hearing control center. This is where you could simply go ahead and include controls or more controls right down there. The thing I told you to do was simply heading into your audio and visual right over here, and this is where you want to simply turn on headphone accommodation, turn off the mono audio, and then make sure that balance is on 0 0. That should go ahead and work. If none of those work, simply head into your settings, head into general, scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and reset all settings. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.